We're making Tuscan bean stew. How do we begin? Good quality beans soaked overnight. In a perfect world, guanciale. In a pinch, salt pork. Into a pan with olive oil and some whole cloves of garlic. Pork and garlic. You could use celery or you could use finocchio. Cut out the woody core, cut it up, and dice it like celery. With that oil frying, add rosemary and sage. And now your aromatics. Onions and shallots. That finocchio. Give that a stir and let that mirepoix cook. Once your veggies are cooked, add your beans, a couple of bay leaves, cover with water, and bring that to a gentle simmer. See that foam along the edge? Just remove it, no big deal. This is the only time you have to put salt in your beans. How do you know it's enough salt? Check your soup. If it's salty now, the beans will taste good later. If it's not, add more. Mine didn't need any salt, but those beans need time to get tender. It's gonna smell good in your house all f***ing day. Now that the beans are mostly tender, we add the potatoes at the end so they don't overcook. In about 45 minutes, we're gonna be eating soup. See how those potatoes and beans make the perfect marriage? I serve mine with toasted bread rubbed with raw garlic. Cut into croutons, drizzled with olive oil, then ladled with plenty of that hearty bean soup. Some of those fennel prawns for garnish, and Parmigiano Reggiano. Buon appetito.
The beans and the potatoes are like magic together. It's so creamy. The fennel just brightens it all up.
Just a hint.
It's just a very subtle hint of fennel. Hearty, creamy, beany.
Good. No bullshit.